Hey guys, wanna know how to add borders in Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to add borders in Filmora. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open your Wondersafe Filmora app. Now, on the left side, you can see various menus right here. Just simply click on Effects. Now here, you will be given various effects right here. Video effects, audio effects, and so on. Now, in order to add border, you should simply click on video effects right here. And right here for me, it was border. But if it doesn't for you, you can simply search for it. Simply search border and Filmora will search through the entire effects and give you a border. Now just simply drag and drop it to your timeline right here. And it will download its content. You can import any media for changes to take place. And as you can see, after I have added an image, you can see borders right here in the corners. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.